Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. As usual, it's Monday again. Morning, Booker. I wanted to see from your side to say that it's Monday again, Booker. Well, it's Monday. Hopefully, tomorrow will not be Friday all of a sudden. I'm joking, people, but the time is passing too fast. That's my conclusion. Okay, let's start with Bitcoin on weekly. We have the weekly close, which is important for us. Let's start with that. Strong close. Nothing to say, nothing bearish about this one. You can see really nice and strong. Big candle. I like it. But like I suggested yesterday, don't chase here. You can see we are getting closer and closer to the short reload zone. On CME, if we put the CME chart, we already touched the short reload zone. So I don't think it's a good idea to... I see a lot of posts now that, well, for example, you can see this one. Sailor is going to take a lot of Bitcoin from the market and you have to go. You're running out of time. Okay. Yeah, maybe. Let's go back. So, people, be smart. Don't buy Bitcoin in a short reload zone. You had the chance here. If you are thinking range, okay, we'll play the range game. For the moment, I'm not hedging because I have a hedge, but I'm not looking for long ideas here at 94. I need a retracement for that. And that doesn't mean I'm not bullish. I'm bullish, but I need a retracement to touch Bitcoin, not here in the short reload zone. And if we zoom out long enough, I'm assuming the top will be in this area, September, October. We can retrace and then push higher here. Yeah, it's possible. Now, why I have this top? Well, I did a study from a long time ago after the halvening. You can see 500 days usually. And 500 days this time is here. We can reach that level. Let's say something like this. Yeah, it's possible. But that doesn't mean I should chase people. Lower time frame, daily time frame, we are getting in the short reload zone. If the Bitcoin will accept above 100k, will push higher and then will retest, then okay, I'll change my opinion. So, well, we have a new high and we are retesting. But now I need a retracement to even think long. Well, Booker, we said lower and it's pushing in the short reload zone. I don't want people to short. I'm okay with hedging here on Bitcoin, like I said, but I'm not okay with anything. With shorting Bitcoin, shorting altcoins. I consider that, especially altcoins, they are in a nice location to invest, to position trade, to day trade if you want, but swing trade, but not to short. Short is not the best moment. Nice close, conclusion. Nice close here. We are getting close to the short reload zone. Short reload zone is to short, to hedge. I don't have a trade per se on Bitcoin. I'll put the daily chart. Then you can see we are slowing down here. No bearish divergence for the moment. We had bullish divergence in the bottom, which is really nice. We talked about this bullish divergence. And after we confirmed all three of them, look at what happened. Higher. But now we can do another step, A, B, C, D in another one to push in 100k level. Yeah, it's possible. But that will be a hedging opportunity in my view, not to go and FOMO buy. That's Bitcoin. Ethereum, I don't see the point to go on weekly. It's looking the same. On daily, I want to see this one. Okay, I want to see this one making a W the other side of the trend line. Not there yet. We are still tagging the trend line. Weekly chart, same. Strong close. Nobody could say this is not strong. It's strong. We have something. We don't have a weekly W for the moment, but it's something. Indicator just following the price action. We can see something like this on weekly? It's possible. Maybe not as low as, I don't know, 1,200 or something. Maybe a bit higher, something like this. But I want to see that weekly W. So weekly W on daily, I want to see trend line breakout strategy, trend line breakout setup. Why? I have this downtrend crystal clear here. So to even try to get long on daily or to do something, I want to double the other side of the trend line. Morning, Jade. Morning, everyone. Okay, that's Ethereum. Bitcoin dominance. Well, we are accepting below the high. Yeah? We have a daily M. It's hard to see on the candles maybe, but on line chart you can see it clearly. And we are accepting lower and pushing lower. Pay attention on altcoins. We said, I want a daily M. Okay, I have the daily M. Okay, daily M. It's confirming, and now I'll find a way to mark this area after the daily M with a different color or something. Maybe next time, because we have the M now. We didn't have an M from, well, we had an attempt here. You can see ugly one, but nothing special. And now we have an M there. Nice location. Maybe it's still a fake out, I don't know, but I'll pay attention on altcoins, because if I'll see outperforming from them, and you already can see something on some altcoins, well, we can activate Holy Grail. And we can make some money with Holy Grail. So don't be bearish on altcoins for the moment. We have a daily M, which is what I was waiting for a long time ago. Okay, now Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Well, we are in the same place like yesterday. We talked about in the weekly crypto review. We have bullish divergence on daily, on RSI, on MACD. Nothing special on OBV, but RSI and MACD is telling us that the market is not as weak as we see here. No clear W. Maybe we need to fuck around a bit more. But it's a good location to think long, people. Exactly, Bukur, exactly. Griffin is moving, is pushing higher. 10, 15%, and Bitcoin is staying in the same place. Big altcoins didn't move too much. Ethereum didn't move. And some shitcoins are moving really nicely. Now I see TIA starting to move slowly. People, when you see daily M on Bitcoin dominance, pay attention. Go and hunt long ideas. Yeah, try to hunt long ideas on altcoins. Don't try to predict the top on Bitcoin and Ethereum and try to short. I saw a lot of people trying to short. Even if I specifically said, well, I don't like to short, that's not a good area. I see more short ideas than long ideas. You'll learn. If you don't learn the easy way, you'll learn the hard way. Up to you. Okay, that's Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Total market cap, fighting 3 trillion again. We are close. Total 3 similar. We need to recover a little bit more on total 3, but we have time. This year will be nice. In my humble opinion, this year will be really nice for us. For us that we stayed here, for us that we dollar cost average, we keep our bags, respect our plan. For us will be nice. For the people that sold the bottom, and they don't trust the pumps at the bottom and they'll wait for more and more, well, they'll buy 10 times higher. For them, I don't know. But for us, probably will be one of the best years. Okay, total 3. Let's take a look at Bitcoin on CME. Okay, daily we closed Friday. Yeah, we closed higher. Now we are still didn't close the gap. At any point in time, people, today, tomorrow, I don't know, this week, we can close this gap and then to push higher. But in the same time, it's not a guarantee that the gap will get filled today or tomorrow. We have a statistic that 95% of the time gaps get filled, but nobody is telling you that this week, next year, or so on. We don't have that time horizon when they will be filled. We know that at some point in time, this gap will probably be filled. CME already touched 61.8. And you can see we rejected a little bit and we are pushing higher again. I could see Bitcoin in the short reload zone, like I said, 100k to be tested, and then to have start with 4-hour daily divergence and then breaking down again. Yeah, I could see that. Yes, on CME. Well, we have a gap exactly like on Bitcoin. We push higher. We are confirming the W here. We confirmed the W Friday, actually. That means we should chase here now. Let's wait. Let's be patient. I think we can test back 5,200, 5,100 maybe. Who knows? If you are a day trader, then it's different. A day trader could fuck around up and down all day long. Okay. Well, that's a good example, Jade. You wanted to FOMO in. I told you to stay put and wait. You got your chance to buy cheap Griffin. If you manage to get a good position, then sell half on a double or respect the strategy you planned before the entry. Griffin is moving really nicely. I like it. So that's yes. Close to the middle of the channel. I don't think it's the best idea to chase. You can see house level. This is a fuckery area. It's a bad area to play, in my opinion. The exception is day trading. Day trading, you can scalping. Okay, you can do that. That's my overview here. Not too many things I could say from yesterday, from the weekly crypto review. Shitcoins, you can see some of them are pumping. And we got front run again. Look at it. Motherfucker. Well, it is what it is, people. I still have the order there. Hopefully. AVAX is moving nicely. All of them are pumping. You can see? But these are not real pumps. Are Monday morning pumps. What I don't like? This. This is a problem. Why the fuck Monero is pumping? Can you tell me why Monero is pumping like crazy? Monero, it's a problem when you see Monero pumping. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. People are scared and going in Monero usually. We'll see. But something is happening. Some people know something. Either Monero is really bullish and will have another big pump. But look at it. Monero pumped really, really nicely. 200, double almost. Well, we had 199, 200, and here we have 400 almost. Yeah, Sebastian. So we had a nice pump on Monero, but that was it's making me scratch my head. Why? Why is pumping? Why Monero is pumping so strong? Anyway, it is what it is. We'll see. A lot of shitcoins are pumping here. 4%, 2%. Some of them are not pumping yet like peer. You can see here. Look at it. We are long on spot because this one is only a spot play, but you can see. W breakout, retest here. The trade is there. A lot of altcoins look similar. TIA, huh? It's trying to do something. I want to get a retest of the daily W. That's my main concern, if I'll get that retest. If not, I'll have to change the approach. I'll find a LJ trade, or I'll find another way to trade. I could activate Holy Grail. Yeah, definitely, Sebastian. Something's cooking. But on the other hand, we didn't have a pump on Monero from a long time. Monero was like a stable coin, and the idea is the longer the channel, the bigger the pump. We'll see. But pay attention, something is up. I see Monero here. That's kind of scary for me, but in the same time, I see the fucking YM on Bitcoin dominance, which makes me think that we are onto something. My bags on spot are full, more than full. I'll be more than happy to see the market exploding up. Okay, so that's Bitcoin dominance. That's our shitcoins here, pumping. Let's see. Now, I think we can go on lower time frame. 4-hour chart on Bitcoin, still in the range. Yeah, looking uppy now, but it's not a good area to chase here. Top of the range, no. We can push in the short reload zone, 96, 97 to form the Monday high probably, but you don't have the risk reward to take a trade here. Yeah, you have a 1-to-1 to 61.8, and I don't think it's reasonable to long here. Ethereum, similar. We are in the short reload zone. This here looks like a distribution, Wyckoff distribution pattern. Okay, Stefan, I don't know if Stefan is here or Kappa 2 people. This is Wyckoff check distribution, one-on-one. Let's see if we'll confirm or we'll break higher or we'll do something else. But so far, looks like a Wyckoff check distribution. Hype and everything else, shitcoins on 4-hour chart. We have an YAM and we retest that YAM at this moment. Not a good idea. I don't want to touch it. Yeah, some people say, well, I want to short here. Okay, it's up to you. Do it if you want. I'll patiently wait for a long. Okay? Sebastian, I don't see Litecoin pumping. Usually we see Litecoin pumping when it's a final move. Let's see EOS, because that was another nice one. It's not pumping yet. No. Pengu? Well, look at this motherfucker. Pushing higher and higher. I'm not allowed to chase. I'll not chase, but look at it. I still have the bags from when we got the Pengu. I'm okay with that bags. I know. They are free already. Sorry, people. I'm a bit sleepy Monday morning. I don't know why. Don't chase. Wait for a retracement, people. Don't chase on Pengu. Could push higher. Well, activate Holy Grail if you want. Solana. Let's see Solana a little bit. Well, I don't see a good location for a short here, but maybe we'll get a 4-hour YAM. That will convince me to take an LJ maybe, or to even think a short. Don't chase. Don't short. I don't see a trade yet. Maybe I'm wrong, but I just don't see the trade on 4-hour chart. 1 hour, we had an YAM here. But if Bitcoin will push a bit higher, well, I think Solana could push at least at 38.2. Look at the fibs, people. Are really important. Okay, we took the high, we took the low, and we said 38.2 bounce. This is the first stop. Until then, it's damn dangerous to even think short. But it's up to you. If you are a 1 hour trader, maybe you'll get a retracement and you can make a 2 to 1. If you are on 4 hour chart, I don't think we should even think short. Tao, well, it's pushing higher. Retesting the high, making equal highs here. Maybe you'll push even higher. But after, Tao tested below $200 again. Look at the W. Yeah? This was the trade. W, power of 3. Not a clear retest. Almost a clear retest, but don't chase here. Please don't chase it. If you have a bag, keep it. If you want to play long ideas, you can use Holy Grail. TIA, similar stuff. Let's see. We are long and hopefully we'll push higher. He's lagging, I'll be honest. He's lagging behind the rest. I was expecting a bit more strength from TIA. Yeah. Let's take a look at ES. Why the fuck is TradingView working so hard? Lagging so much? Well, you can see, not a good area to think long. Look left. Yeah, we have some resistance. That doesn't mean the market cannot push higher. You just don't have an advantage in the market playing long ideas here. It's all I'm saying. Okay? I'm not saying the market will not push higher or cannot push higher. Yeah, it can, but the probabilities, the setups, and seeing the resistance maybe is not the best place to think long. It's up to you after all. I'm not a financial advisor. Well, looks like Ripple is trying to do something here. We had kind of a inverse head and shoulder. Ugly one, but shoulder, head, shoulder, neckline. We had bullish divergence here. Well, not quite. We had some, but was too violent. E-gold. I'm not allowed to chase here. I have a lot on spot. I have a lot of e-gold on spot investment bags. I'm more than happy to keep those. I don't need to trade. I had a chance here, but I missed it with 20 cents difference. Motherfuckers. And Bitcoin on CME, you can see it's strong. Monday morning, well, I'm not chasing, that's for sure. I'll play an SFU, maybe on lower time frame, on 5-minute chart, on 1 hour chart, I don't know. But Monday, usually I stay out and wait. I'm not too eager to trade. If I'll find a scalp, I'll take it. I'll even hunt with Holy Grail a little bit to see maybe I get something nice. I have the daily M on Bitcoin dominance, so why not? Your beloved CSP. Okay. Well, on what exchange? Bybit, OKX, KuCoin? No, Casper, Ethereum, no. I want Tether. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Something is cooking, something is pumping. But if you put the weekly chart, it's in the middle of nowhere. If you manage to dollar cost average, I know you, Miku. You are a dollar cost averaging guy and you respect your plan. You are in a good position. Soon enough, you'll have the shot to sell half on a double, and then you don't care. Yeah. Then version 2, okay, buy the rumor, sell the news, maybe. So pay attention. Maybe you'll get another dip. I don't know too many things, but when you see they released version 2, usually it's buy the rumor, sell the news. I know you are dollar cost averaging, so you'll be okay. Just be damn sure to sell half on a double and keep the rest. Nice to see you back, Miku. Okay. So Bitcoin on CME, well, Bitcoin on CME, it's slightly different approach, slightly different view, but the same price action after all. If you zoom out, I don't want to short, I don't want to long, I don't want to touch Bitcoin here. I don't know. If you want to hedge, you don't have a hedge, and you want one, well, maybe you can start. Okay. Request if you have. I'll be more than happy to look at some altcoins. Arbitrum, okay. We took a look at this one. Why not? Well, no weekly W. We had a range here and we broke down, not up, as we expected. Let's see what is still valid here. This level, this level. Probably we have bullish divergence already, yeah, on MACD at least. RSI, potential divergence on weekly, which is not bad. OBV is lagging, nothing special. But we have a good location, that's for sure. I could see a LJ here, a trend line breakout if you really want to play, yeah, W the other side, and on daily I think we already have that. Let's see daily. There you go. There you go. Look at it. Huh? Similar stuff. Let's take this one. This is the daily W. Okay. And you can play a setup like multiple altcoins have the same pattern, people. So careful on total risk. Don't make me repeat every time. Careful on total risk. And let's say, well, I don't know if we'll pump all the way up but let's take a short reload zone from this high. You think it's reasonable to think that the market could pump in the short reload zone? I think so. Short reload zone, you can see the 61.8 short is here. Let's put the take profit there. Have an idea. So if you'll get an entry here, until short reload zone, you have a 7 to 1. Well, works for me. Works for me, Nico. You just need an entry now. So if you like it, take it. I'll post it on general chat now. So we'll have it there. Yeah. Bullish divergence on MACD, bullish divergence on RSI. On daily, we have even bullish divergence on OBV. We have everything we need to think long on daily. Yeah. You just need an entry. You'll get it or not, I don't know. Okay, Bera. Oh, let's take a look at Bera. Why not? Not even on daily, no W, no nothing. It's still consolidating. It's too new for us to think about it. You need a weekly W, daily W here. It's still consolidating. Was nice and shiny, yeah. And now it's consolidating. You can start dollar cost averaging on this one, but I don't see a trade, Jade. Okay, Ondo. Let's take a look at Ondo. Now, if this is all the history we have, I don't think it's a good idea to chase. But let's find something else. KuCoin maybe has more history. Well, that's a different story. That's a different story. You can see we already did some analysis on this one. Nice daily W on KuCoin. In the long reload zone, some confluences here. Retesting the W. Kind of not the best, but it's there. Yeah, I was waiting for lower, but it's not up to me. You can see. If you take this one, you are at 78.6. If you take the entire range, you are at 61.8. Okay, 61.8, and you have a W. From the entire range, not the best location. From this one, well, acceptable. We'll go straight up. Well, you can attempt to take a trade here, or you can wait for more consolidation. The risk reward is not the best. Okay, not the best because you have this big W. That will limit your risk to reward. And I don't see anything special on indicators. Some bullish divergence here on MACD, a bit of divergence here on RSI. And you have an OBV even. Yeah. Maybe wait for a better retracement a bit lower, or go on lower time frame, try to take it with, I don't know, 1 hour holy grail or something. Let's put 4 hour chart. Maybe we have something better. Let's wait. Come on. Well, you can do something like this. If you don't want to chase because you don't have the risk reward, you can do something like this. Well, let's wait in the long reload zone. There you go. Or pump chaser zone if you are aggressive. Okay? Wait here for a W. Indicators are looking uppy, but this W is too big. And you had this W. This was the trader's trade. W, breakout, and retest here. This was it. Now it's like chasing on 4 hour chart. Okay, let's go back on daily. Ondo, anything else? No? Yeah, okay. People, it's Monday. Don't chase the market Monday morning. Wait. Usually is the best solution is to wait for a Monday high, Monday low, and then try to play. Different from the other weeks is what we have here. This is something different, something nice we didn't had from a long fucking time. Even on wicks and tails, and this is an EM, clear EM. Could be a fake out there, anytime could be a fake out, but you get the idea. Okay? Come on, motherfucker. Now, this is a clear EM. High, a bit lower, so lower high, neckline, breaking down, and we are accepting below the neckline. If you see daily yams on Bitcoin dominance, well, I don't think it's the range, Sebastian. We can start something nice on some shitcoins. Range play on Bitcoin, range play maybe on Ethereum, but on shitcoins, I could see shitcoins pumping really nicely. My problem is they didn't retest the daily W, that daily W. They'll go up without retesting? Well, so be it. I'll have to chase with Holy Grail. If they all retest, then I could take some swing trades. We took some of them. We have some trades. Not enough. Most of them, they are risk-free. But seeing this one confirming and pushing lower, that will give me more trust to be more aggressive on altcoins. Yeah, Monday range. Yeah, Monday range, yes. But shitcoins could be a fake out. And we can stay longer at this level. If that's the case, maybe we'll get our swing trades. We'll daily W's retest. But if this one will break down, well, I'll have to access Holy Grail and play 5-minute chart on most of them. When is the right moment to play Holy Grail? Holy Grail is really rewarding. High risk to reward trades. Okay. That being said, if we don't have requests, if we don't have anything, it's Monday morning. Try to protect capital and play only clear setups with clear advantage in the market. See you in the New York session for premium members. Tomorrow it's free for everyone. So Stefan will probably do day trading with Stefan. I'll do the New York session for everyone. I'll open for all the Discord members. It's up to you, people. If you want to join us, if you want to be part of Crypto Traders Arena community, if you want to join Capo 1 to learn to swing trade like us, it's damn cheap, but you have to be serious and consistent. Okay, that being said, let's call it a live stream. See you in the next one. Bye bye.